Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create your own custom input action in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So I'll just create one simple application. I'll browse it to the desktop folder. I'll click on create. Then all you need to do is just go to project settings, go to input map, and here you can click on add new action. So suppose I want to trigger an action once the left keyboard key is pressed. Okay, so the left arrow keys. So I'll just give it some name which makes sense to me. So I have named it as left. I'll click on add. Then over here you just have to click on this plus button and click on the left arrow key of your keyboard. So here you can see it has automatically detected, and I'll click on OK. Similarly, if you want to add more, suppose I want to detect right as well, I'll enter right, type right, click on add, then click on this plus button and then press the right arrow key on our keyboard and click on OK as well. Then I'll click on close. Then I'll click on a 2D scene and I'll just do Command S to save it. Okay, you can attach one script to it just to detect what key was pressed. So for that you can just override the process function. Okay, so here you can do something like this. If input dot is action pressed, and here you can see it is automatically showing the two keys custom action input which I have added. So I'll just select left, and suppose I just want to print left, not print tree but just print left. And similarly over here as well, I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here, and here I'll just instead of left I can just write right. Copy this and I'll paste it over here as well. So I'll Command S to save. Now I'll just run our application, select the current scene. Now if I press the left arrow key, here you can see it is telling me left. Now this process function is called every frame per second, that's why you are seeing so many left. I'll press on right. Here you can see I'm able to see so left right. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.